Welcome to JH. Today, we are exploring how to begin your journey with Gelato print on demand. Whether your goal is to generate side income or simply understand the process, this guide covers everything from the platform's mechanics to earning strategies. Gelato is a powerful tool for selling custom merchandise like hoodies, t-shirts, and phone cases featuring your original artwork. The best part of this print-on-demand model is the lack of inventory or initial investment. You just provide the designs, and Gelato manages the printing, packaging, and global shipping for you. Financially, you only pay for manufacturing once a customer makes a purchase, eliminating the risk of unsold stock. For example, if you sell a shirt for $25 and the production cost is $12, you pocket a $13 profit. Your success depends on competitive pricing and effective marketing. Utilizing social media platforms like Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram is vital for visibility. You can also leverage influencer partnerships or paid advertisements to grow your brand. I will show you how to establish your prices and share promotional tactics to get you moving. On the Gelato homepage, you will see they offer rapid delivery, often within 72 hours, across 33 countries. The system integrates perfectly with major marketplaces like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon. Once you log into your dashboard, you have full control over your business. This hub allows you to upload art, select items like mugs or posters, and set your profit margins. By syncing your store, Gelato automates the entire fulfillment process, letting you focus on creativity rather than logistics. The product catalog is extensive, featuring apparel for men, women, and children, alongside stationery, wall art, and mobile accessories. To create an item, such as a tote bag, simply select your preferred style and material. Beginners might start with a budget-friendly cotton bag costing $8, selling it for $18 to earn a $10 profit. After picking a product, upload your graphic and use the editor to resize or rotate it. You can even design both the front and back for a unique look. Use the preview tool to see how your art looks on different colors like navy or black before saving. Once your design is ready, choose your size ranges and set your retail price. Gelato provides high-quality mock-ups that are perfect for your digital storefront or social media ads. To go live, navigate to the Stores tab in your dashboard and link your account to platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. The integration process is straightforward, and once connected, your designs will sync automatically. This saves time and ensures your inventory and orders are managed from one central location. To maximize sales, focus on driving traffic through TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. Share behind-the-scenes content and customer testimonials to build trust. If you are on Etsy or Shopify, use targeted keywords to boost your search ranking. Additionally, maintaining an email list for newsletters and product updates helps encourage repeat buyers. When a sale occurs, Gelato handles the heavy lifting of production and shipping. You simply collect the profit margin between your retail price and the manufacturing cost.